Up first, Microsoft Ignite rundown. This is mostly enterprise news, so I'm going to go through it pretty quickly. First off, all the Microsoft Gen AI conversational products are basically being brought under the hood of Copilot, and what they're calling Copilot is now like a multi-tier Gen AI interface with different tools for writing and for Bing Chat, etc. In addition to that, they've announced new in-house Maia and Cobalt chips designed for enterprise AI. They are like other chips, designed to be efficient, designed to be sustainable. They say that it's the final piece of the puzzle in the mission to deliver flexible infrastructure systems. I'd be surprised if this was to be the final piece. I think that these models are going to continue to grow and evolve, and the hardware requirements to run the highest end models at low prices is also going to evolve with it. In addition, NVIDIA Microsoft partnership is continuing to be very strong. NVIDIA launched the AI Foundry Service for Microsoft Azure with a ton of new models. Basically, NVIDIA is strengthening co-sell with Microsoft. So the AI Foundry Service is just a tool to help enterprises and startups build AI applications on Azure Cloud. Last piece of news I want to cover is the expansion, of course, of the AI-driven Copilot. The goals of that are to boost sales productivity, improve customer service experience across orgs. The idea is you can integrate your whole existing Microsoft workspace, that's like your Microsoft portfolio, like Microsoft 365, all this stuff. It'll all integrate with Copilot. So the entire tech stack is all going to be integrated with Copilot. Up next, there's a couple of model announcements from DeepMind. The first one that people seem really excited about is a new music generation tool. They call it transforming the future of music creation. Lyria has a lot of different capabilities. You can create new pieces of music. You can transform sounds from one modality to another. So say like beatboxing, you can record yourself beatboxing and turn that into a drum track, or you can hum something and turn it into something orchestral. I think in general, this is a little bit overhyped. I've listened to the music that it's putting out. I'm a musician myself, and I'm not particularly impressed by the quality of the sound, not just from a musical point of view, but the sound quality itself is pretty thin. The other announcement from Google DeepMind is GraphCast, which is an AI model for faster and more accurate global weather forecasting, as they call it. It makes weather predictions up to 10 days in advance. They say it's more accurate and much faster than industry gold weather simulation system, high resolution forecast, HRES, which is a enormous kind of differential equation based weather forecasting system. So they call this a significant leap forward for AI in weather prediction. However, these kinds of transitions need to be done very carefully because weather predictions are extremely important until we really deeply understand the performance of these models, the way that we deeply understand the performance of the kind of state-of-the-art differential equation-based models. Last piece of news, NVIDIA has announced the H200 Tensor Core GPU. It's not available right now. You can subscribe to be notified when the H200 is available. We're likely to see this thing back ordered like crazy because it is extremely high memory. It's doubling the memory, essentially, of the H100 GPU, and it has 1.4 times more memory bandwidth. So it's all about memory. It's clearly a chip designed for large language models that take in the realm of 50 or 100 gigabytes or 200 gigabytes of space in memory. So it's about hosting huge models and running inference on huge models. That's all for this week from Microsoft Ignite, DeepMind, and NVIDIA.